Matlock has always been a bit of a mystery to me. It holds a unique texture, an atmosphere that feels distinct from other places in England. Nestled deep in a valley, arriving in Matlock feels like descending into a hidden paradise, with its gentle hills cradling the town in a way that makes it feel both secluded and welcoming at the same time. Though small in size, Matlock is astonishingly lively. Its streets are lined with charming boutiques, antique shops, and quaint little bookshops that invite you in for a quiet browse. There's always a hum of life in the air, a sense that the town is in constant motion, whether through locals going about their day or visitors discovering its many delights for the first time. What catches the eye, too, is the distinct stone structure of the town's buildings. Unlike the typical red brick architecture found in much of England, Matlock's stonework gives it a character that feels both historic and timeless. As I made my way towards Matlock, the road seemed to twist and turn like a snake, passing through villages such as Matlock Bath, each with its own unique charm. I even spotted a sign for a model train museum, a reminder that this area is full of small, unexpected wonders. The journey felt like a quiet adventure, with each turn revealing something new and intriguing. At the heights of Abraham, the view from the cable car was nothing short of breathtaking. As we ascended, the valley below stretched out like a vast canvas of nature, with every tree, rock, and hill perfectly placed. The stone caves, remnants from the Ice Age, added an eerie, almost Gothic element to the experience, their cold, dark interiors a stark contrast to the bright, open landscape above. It was easy to imagine figures from another time wandering these paths. And in fact, I came across people dressed as Victorian ladies and gentlemen, adding to the surreal and timeless atmosphere. At one point, the cable car stopped abruptly, leaving us suspended hundreds of meters above the valley floor. For a moment, there was an eerie silence, broken only by the soft creaking of the car. It was both thrilling and terrifying. Later, I discovered that this was a routine part of the journey, caused by a queue of cable cars ahead of us. Somehow, knowing this didn't detract from the experience. It was just another part of Matlock's peculiar charm. Reaching the town itself felt like a reward after passing through such scenic countryside. The journey had been one of hills, valleys, and villages, each dotted with fairy tale-like shops that seemed almost too perfect to be real. When I finally arrived, the river Derwent cut through the heart of the town, dividing it like a seam. The bridge that crossed it felt like a precious gem, a small but vital part of the town's beauty and flow. For such a small place, Matlock surprised me with its diverse range of restaurants. From traditional English fare to world cuisines, there seemed to be something for everyone, no matter your tastes. I hadn't expected to find such variety in a town of its size, and it was a pleasant reminder of how even the smallest places can hold the biggest surprises. I made a point of visiting the town's war memorial, a simple yet touching tribute to those from Matlock who had given their lives. It stood as a quiet reminder of the town's deep connection to its history, and it was humbling to think of the generations who had lived, worked, and fought for this place. As I left Matlock, I found myself smiling, already looking forward to my next visit. There's something about the town that lingers with you, a feeling that, even though you've left, a part of you remains there, waiting to return.